Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to select a DNS provider on the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and select the hamburger icon up in the top right, and then go down and select the settings gear button. Now on the left side, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, underneath privacy and security, select the security button. And then underneath advanced, where it says select DNS provider, click the drop down and you can select a custom one, or you can do Google, Cloudflare, Next DNS, Clean Browsing, or Open DNS. Again, you do need to make sure secure DNS is turned on and toggled to the right in order for these options to appear. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.